Hi, I'm Kristlyn Chalupka, board-certified family nurse practitioner. I'm here to open up the conversation about women's sexual health, specifically after childbirth. Motherhood is a true treasure, but there is no denying the trauma your body goes through during labor. I'm a mother of two, and I understand. As you care for your newborn baby, it's easy to put your intimate health on the back burner. Postpartum, you're probably noticing that your body feels different, like it's in need of serious repair. It's easy to identify the physical changes like weight gain, widening of the hips, and stretch marks. But what about the unseen changes like decrease in sexual desire, lubrication, and tightness? Traditionally, there were a slew of treatment options out there for women, but many included surgery, prescription drugs, and even lasers. As advancements in medical technology continues, leading-edge therapies are continuously being developed with women like you and I in mind. The good news, there are now alternative options available to restore your sexual health post-child labor. Not only can you receive a treatment that is pain-free and non-invasive, but also one that requires zero downtime. And as a new mother, downtime is not an option. GAINSWave for Her is a safe, clinically proven procedure that repairs blood vessels, improves blood flow to the vagina, and ultimately increases lubrication and sensitivity. Give your body the attention it deserves. Find a GAINSWave for Her provider today by visiting GAINSWave.com. You'll even receive an individualized treatment plan that can work around your schedule as a new mother.